There is something undeniably poetic about working with salvaged timber. The wood, often overlooked or discarded, bears the marks of time. Knots, cracks, wormholes, sun-bleached edges, and imperfections that tell its story. Yet in these very flaws lies a deeper kind of honesty. Found wood doesn't pretend to be perfect, it is unapologetically real. And when a woodworker chooses to breathe new life into it, shaping it into decor that is both stunning and functional, the result is a piece that feels genuine, rooted, and full of soul. Welcome to Décor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Today we will show you a collection of unique art from salvaged timber project design ideas for modern home decor and real profit. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Unlike mass-produced items that aim for uniformity, salvaged timber art embraces irregularity. Each board or beam becomes an invitation to lean into authenticity and creativity, to work with what is rather than what could be forced. And in today's world, one saturated with factory finishes and aesthetic duplication, that kind of raw integrity is not only refreshing but in high demand. For the craftsman, this journey begins not in the sterile environment of a lumberyard, but in back alleys, old barns, renovation sites, or even forgotten forest floors. A weathered fence post might become a modern lamp base. A cracked floorboard could evolve into a rustic frame, rich with character. This approach turns woodworking from mere production into an act of resurrection. Every knot becomes a visual story. Every groove, a fingerprint of time. What's being crafted is not just home decor, but connection, a reminder that beauty isn't always born from flawlessness, but from being honest about origin. And remarkably, it's this authenticity that buyers are increasingly drawn to. In the context of interior design, the demand for salvaged timber decor has soared. Modern homeowners are searching for pieces that hold meaning, that stand apart from the generic offerings of big-box retailers. They want items that feel handmade, responsible, and rooted in a larger story. Wall art made from reclaimed barnwood, floating shelves fashioned from dock planks, coffee tables crafted from salvaged beams. These speak not just to aesthetic tastes, but to values, sustainability, history, individuality. And for the woodworker, this demand presents a powerful opportunity to build a business that is as profitable as it is principled. Working with salvaged timber is not only a creative outlet, it's a low-cost gateway into a lucrative niche. The raw materials are often free or deeply discounted. Old pallets, construction scraps, and unwanted wood pieces destined for landfills become rich resources when seen through the lens of possibility. And while they may require more effort, denailing, sanding, cleaning, the return is deeply rewarding. The end products, when infused with care and vision, fetch prices that often exceed those made with new wood, precisely because they are unique, sustainable, and emotionally resonant. Buyers aren't just paying for a wooden clock or a decorative tray. They're investing in a story, a philosophy, and a connection to craftsmanship. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. From a business perspective, Salvaged wood decor also offers flexibility and scalability. Smaller projects like candle holders, wall hooks, or serving boards require minimal tools and space to create, making them ideal for beginners. Meanwhile, larger statement pieces, headboards, benches, intricate wall panels offer higher price points for experienced artisans. Online platforms like Etsy, Instagram shops, and local craft fairs have made it easier than ever to market these creations to an audience that is actively searching for meaningful, handmade decor. And because each piece is distinct, each listing becomes a conversation, a chance to share the origin of the material, the inspiration behind the design, and the journey from scrap to treasure. But perhaps the greatest reward isn't financial, it's emotional. Crafting with salvaged timber invites a deeper kind of mindfulness. You're no longer simply building, you're listening to the material. The warped grain might dictate the direction of your cut. A split in the wood might inspire an asymmetric design. This process fosters humility and presence. It reminds the maker that beauty often emerges not from control, but from collaboration with the natural world. And for many woodworkers, this is the essence of their practice, not just making things, but discovering truths through their hands. Salvaged wood becomes a mirror, reflecting back not only the world's discarded materials, but also its forgotten potential. In a broader sense, this movement toward found wood and real profit is part of a cultural shift, a rejection of disposable consumerism in favor of intentional living. When someone chooses to decorate their home with a reclaimed wood shelf or a wall sculpture made from salvage, they're making a quiet yet profound statement that sustainability matters, that history has value, and that artistry is still alive. And for the person who crafted that piece, it is equally profound. They've turned a forgotten plank into income. They've honored nature while exercising creativity. They've proven that profit and purpose are not mutually exclusive. In the end, crafting unique decor from salvaged timber isn't about perfection. It's about honesty. The kind of honesty that acknowledges where something came from and celebrates what it can become. It's about seeing potential where others see waste. About turning a cracked board into a conversation starter, a gnarled beam into a symbol of warmth, a pile of scraps into a path toward both livelihood and legacy. That's the power of found wood. That's the truth behind its growing appeal. And that's why the movement is more than a trend. It's a return to something deeper, something real. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked unique art from salvaged timber project design ideas for modern home decor and real profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.